For the Canton network, we touch it several times here, 1, 2 in a recent days. The take profit line on a daily, and or we go in straight forward on some bad news from the Trump to the buy line, or we'll go to new all-time high around 1947. It's one more test of take profit line, and exit line it's 2192. I highly recommend you just add alerts to exit line. Let's add to the exit line and wait when we hit the new all-time high and exit line. It can be the potential local short position at these two levels. So at least it can be a logical entry, because this indicator has a pretty good win rate. And the buy line on the daily time frame now for Canton it's 910.79. Intention accumulation pump model still in play, because we still not hit the new all-time high. And congrats everyone who accumulated in this block, because you could use this model totally for free. Just watch tutorial, and after drop to the 61 level fee, we rebound from 610.36 to almost new all-time high. Here you could fix the profit, because based on that model, it's a zone of fixation swing trades. Now till March 20, I got 30% off for discount for full indicator set, and I would like to show you the data from that set now. Weekly time frame, of course, unfortunately there is still no data for take profit indicator, because just a brand new token. But if something happened, guys, the bad happened with the market, we can form something like INA format, but I hope we're gonna hold the line here and form the double bottom. This is the worst case scenario. Invalidation, of course, the horrible nightmare for this token if we dump on the 3 cents. I don't think so it will happen. The Canton network now, it's not a low cap token, it's now only 15 cents, but it's already equal market cap and FDV around almost 6 billion market capitalization. To hit $1, we need to reach like 38 billion market cap. Technically, of course, it's possible. If we count the potential gains, like risk ratio, right? So is it okay to buy now? For example, if we want to see the 38 billion market capitalization, it can be potential like 557% gains. Is it okay for you based on your risk management? Of course, you can buy. For me personally, of course, the zone of interest, it's still the same. It's 740, 636, 488, 423. If the token not dropped to that zones, I can just skip the token, so it's more than okay, guys. ADZ direction, unfortunately ADZ direction still not showed the data on the weekly time frame, because just a brand new token. And ADZ in distribution zone, not at the top of the top, but it's not accumulation, guys. Maybe some news about the Canton network. Canton crypto listing, crypto.com listing 27 February, so it's not affected the price at all. It's not an upbeat. What is good, guys? Take a look. We are in the biggest accumulation ever on the daily. All that time period was distribution with the divergency, pure divergency. This one, bam, and here. This is a divergency. So this was a healthy correction drop, and it's interesting because we hold the line pretty good at 15 cents, and we crash it down like crazy, like never before, into the biggest accumulation zone. What is bad, guys? We can't form the divergency, but opposite way. So we can form something like this one and drop something like this one on the price chart. So just be careful, guys. For me, zone of interest around here. Not when we trade around the take profit line, but of course it's up to you. Direction, no signal to buy or accumulation from the whales, guys, yet. Market smooth, finally. All that time period was a distribution, step by step you could distribute. Now it's a disbelief. Disbelief is usually a good time to buy. A weekly time frame, of course, it's a free. That's why if we talk about intraday trades, some swing trades, we work with the 12 time frame, 4 time frame, daily time frame. For investment, better wait to that weekly. So weekly 12 time frame, the buy line now it's 11 cents at 03. 12 time frame in some positive zone, not disbelief. All right, let's check the money power, guys. So this is a really important indicator on the daily. Here, money in, we pump it around 80%. After that, 1-2 days in a row, money in, we pump it just 4%, now nothing. So be careful, guys. And also money power on the weekly without any money inflow, any money outflow. So at least it's like neutral, but definitely it's not like time to hop into this token. And the last indicator, guys, it's trade on daily, buy, sell, and only the buybacks. No signal to buy back again, or even the buy new one. That's why honestly, for me, better wait the signal, take profits from the sales. This one. So we need to see the take profit, and I hope it's going to be the test of like 11.81, for example, or even the 9 cents. And after that, we can talk about new signal, close position, right? Like close short positions and new signals to buy. Guys, if you like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, with 30% discount off till March 20, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Montego channel. See you next time, guys.